Hello, my name is Madison Reese, and today I'll be completing Exam 5 Mini Video 1A. I will be illustrating the evolution of snack chips over time using a phylogenetic tree, which is a graphical representation of degrees of similarities. But first, I will go over two different ways we can describe the mode of evolution. First, anagenesis is the evolution over time within a single lineage, from A to B. Whereas cladogenesis involves the splitting of one lineage into two, resulting in many new species evolving from a single parent species. Now, we can move to our phylogenetic tree example. Here we have vegetable starches as our outgroup. The outgroup allows the tree to be rooted, meaning that all operational taxonomic units, or OTUs, following will be related through that common ancestor, starch. Now, we can move on to our remaining OTUs, which are distinguished based on differences in their DNA sequences. We can look to the internal node here to distinguish divergence from a common ancestor. So stemming from that first node, we have two types of chips, potato chips and corn chips. Looking at the first internal node of potato, we have classic potato chip, which displays the most basic taste and presentation. Next, we move that node into specialty potato chips. First, having the lightly salted chip that evolves slightly from the classic. Then, we can go further and identify flavored potato chips, salt and vinegar, and barbecue. These two potato chips share the most recent common ancestor and present the smallest number of operational taxonomic units. Next, we can look to the corn chips on the lower half of the tree. Off of our first node, one branch leads to traditional tortilla chips and the other to corn tortilla strips, represented by the Fritos Original, and even further down, the flavored corn tortilla strips, chili cheese, and barbecue. These flavored OTUs share the most recent common ancestor. This concludes the phylogenetic tree example. Thank you.